Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question number 44. And the instruction here say shows the word or phrase or group of words that best complete this particular sentence or the following sentence. Now, the sentence says the woman said the maid should dash all the plates before going to bed. The woman said the maid should dash all the plates before going to bed. Option A say wash out, B say wash up, C say wash off, D said wash away. Now, this list of options are also verbal phrase. They are all phrases, but from verb. That's why we call it verbal phrase. Now, when you say wash out simply means to wash out something. Maybe you can say we wash out the stain from the bin. That is, it's inside. Then you wash it out. So when something is inside and it is washed out inside, so it means that something is inside. But here we are talking about plates. Then wash up, when you wash up something, it means that you cleanse it, you remove the dirty from it. And under verbal phrase, it is grammatically correct to wash up dishes. Yes, it is grammatically correct to wash up dishes. Then wash off means remove. So wash off cannot function with this expression plate. So the woman said, one cannot say the woman said the maid should wash off all the plate before going to bed, because wash off means remove. So the verbal phrase wash off cannot function in this expression. Then wash away simply means total remove or total removal of something. Now, for instance, you can wash off stain from your clothes. Very correct. Then when you now say wash away, like let's say downpour can wash away farm crops. Very correct. Downpour, that is rainfall can wash away, so it is correct. But in this sentence we are talking of plate, so it is better said, or the best verbal phrase here is the woman said the maid should wash up all the plates before going to bed. So option B is grammatically the best verbal phrase in this expression, and it is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.